Hello friends, welcome to Meesho. Through this app, thousands of people are earning more than rupees 25,000 per month. In this video, first I will tell you what is reselling and second I will tell you how to use the Meesho app. So friends, reselling is a very simple business where you buy top quality products from manufacturers and suppliers and sell it to your customers at a profit margin. So what does Meesho do? Meesho is a very unique app which allows you to do reselling without any investment and from the comfort of your home. Meesho brings top quality products from suppliers and manufacturers at wholesale prices and puts them on the app. You can share the images and description of these products with your customers, friends, family over WhatsApp or any other social media. If they like the product, you can set any profit margin that you want and we will deliver the product directly to them. Meesho handles the entire delivery service for you, which means we pick the product from the supplier and deliver it to the end customer. To build trust, we also provide cash on delivery, which means that we will collect the entire cash from the customer and transfer your profit margin very safely to your bank account. Also, if you find any issue with any of your product, you can go to the Meesho app and place a return and we will refund 100% of the money of the product without any questions. So friends, this is what is reselling. We hope you start your business with Meesho and are able to place your first order very soon. So now I will tell you how to exactly use the Meesho app. To use the Meesho app, you need to know two main things. First, how can you share products with your customers? And second, how can you exactly place an order for your customers? When you open the Meesho app, you will see that there are many top quality products available here at wholesale prices. There are many catalogs here, and when I open a catalog, you will see that there are different color products of the same catalog. Either you can share a particular color product or you can share the entire catalog with your customer. Most of our resellers share the entire catalog, so I will tell you how that is done. You will see a green share now button here. In fact, if I go back, you will see the same green share now button outside as well. Now I will click on this share now button. You will see that Meesho now redirects me to WhatsApp. Here I can select the customer and all the images of this catalog get shared with this customer. Now I will press the back button. When I press the back button, you see that Meesho redirects me to WhatsApp once again. This time if I select the same customer, you will see that all the details of this product, its fabric, size, length, everything gets shared with this customer. You will also notice that there is no mention of price in this entire sharing process. This is because through the Meesho app, you can select your own price and set your own profit margin. You will also notice that there is no mention of Meesho anywhere. Now I will come back. You will see that there is a My Account section here. If I click on this My Account section and if I go to My Shared Catalogs, the product that I just shared appears on the top. So if your customers like this product and you want to place an order, you can come back to this section to place an order for that product. So friends, this is how you can share products or catalogs. When you share catalogs with your customer, don't forget to tell them that there is a cash on delivery option available. Also, if the product goes wrong, there is a no question asked returns policy, so they will get a 100% refund if the product has any problems. Now I will tell you how to place order on the Meesho app. First, find the catalog that your customer had liked. Now click on this catalog and select the color of the product that your customer wanted to buy. When I click on this product, you will see that the product details page opens up. There is an Add to Cart button here. When I click on this button, I can select the size and quantity and click on Done. You will see that a checkout button now comes up here. I will click on this checkout button. The app first asks me the payment method. If we select cash on delivery here, Meesho will collect the entire amount from the customer and transfer your profit margin safely to your bank account. If we select online, you will have to pay Meesho only the product price, and whatever profit margin is there, you can collect directly from your customer via any other payment mode. So for now, let's go with cash on delivery. In this screen, you can see the product price and I'll click on proceed. So now the app asks me what's the address of the customer where I want to ship this product. Remember that Meesho picks the product directly from the supplier and delivers it to your end customer so that you don't need to worry about anything. You can select an existing address here, or add a new one. For now, let's select an existing address and click on proceed. The next is the sender details screen. The sender is the name that comes on the final delivery package that is sent to your customer. Remember that there is no mention of Meesho in the final package sent to the customer, and the name that you select on this screen will be the name that will go to your customer. For now, I will select any sender and click on proceed. This is the final screen before placing an order, where I have to tell Meesho how much margin do I want to add for this product. If I select 700 here, you will see that I will make a margin of 171 rupees on this product because the product price is 529. So 700 minus 529 becomes my margin. If I select 700 here, this means that Meesho will collect 700 in cash from your customer and transfer the margin of rupees 171 safely to your bank account. Remember that customer will never get to know the actual price of the product. Finally, I click on place order and my order will be placed. So friends, if you face any problem in using the app, please do go to the help section in our app or call our customer support team. With Meesho, thousands of people are earning more than rupees 25,000 per month. We hope that you will also be successful in starting your business through Meesho.